A very good morning to all of you. So we have already discussed the classification and the nomenclature of alcohols and phenols. So let's move on to the methods of preparation of alcohols and phenols. So firstly, I am discussing the methods of preparation of alcohols. Okay. So the very first method for the preparation of alcohol is from halo alkanes. Okay, we have already discussed this method in the chemical properties of haloalkanes, and this method is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so nucleophilic substitution reaction we have discussed. There are two types, SN1 and SN2. SN2 will take place when we have 1 degree haloalkane, and in case of 2 degree or 3 degree, SN1 will take place. Okay, so firstly I am taking 1 degree, like we have CH3Br plus KOH. SN2 reaction will take place and we will get CH3OH plus KBr. Now inversion of configuration will take place in case of SN2 because backside attack takes place. Okay, and in case of 3 degree, we have to take firstly SN1 will take place. Okay, and we have to take a polar protic solvent. In case of SN1 polar protic solvent की जरूरत है हमें, and a weak nucleophile. Okay, a weak nucleophile. If we take a strong nucleophile, then elimination will take place. We have already discussed. Okay, if we take a strong nucleophile, then elimination will take place in case of tertiary. Okay, as well as in secondary also, it will favor the elimination reaction. Okay, so we are taking water. Okay, here water will act as a solvent also and as a nucleophile. Okay, so hydrolysis will take place. If the solvent is not water, then we call it as solvolysis. Okay, so the water will hydrate the, okay, here we have Br. Okay, the water will hydrate this Br negative, and this Br negative will not allow again to attack on the carbocation which is generated in the first step, and the first step is the rate determining step, and retention of configuration will take place. Okay, not 100% retention, some inversion will also there because Br negative will not leave. Okay, and the second and third step is so fast that complete retention will not take place. Okay, then the product will be CH3CH3OH. Okay, so this is the first method of preparation of alcohols from haloalkanes. Okay, so the second method is we cannot prepare the aromatic alcohols from haloalkanes because there is some double bond character generated with the carbon and the halogen. We have already discussed due to resonance, due to sp hybridized carbon, and the third reason is that the carbocation which is generated is also unstable. Okay, so now the second method is from hydrocarbons. So in hydrocarbons we are taking firstly we are taking alkenes, and this method is an example of electrophilic addition reaction. Okay, electrophilic addition. Why it is electrophilic addition reaction? Because in this reaction electrophile will attack first. Okay, and we all know that alkenes are acting as a nucleophile, so the electrophile will attack first, and the first method is by the addition of water, and we call it as hydration. Okay, so by the addition of water we call it as hydration, and the general reaction is CH2, I am taking ethene plus water in the presence of an acid H positive, and we will get CH3CH2OH alcohol. Okay, So now what is the mechanism? So hydration can take place indirectly or directly. Okay. So we are discussing only the direct method. In indirect method, the firstly the alcohol, the acid will react. The complete acid will react, and then the water will react. Okay. So we are discussing the direct method. This is known as hydronium ion mechanism. Okay. This is known as hydronium ion mechanism, and the type is electrophilic addition reaction. So I am taking a unsymmetrical alkene CH3CH CH2 plus water in presence of acid. We will get this product. So there are two chances. Okay, this is the major one, the 2 degree. This is the major product. Okay, and the minor one is CH3 CH2 CH2OH. This is the minor one. Okay, so we will get two products, major and minor. Okay, now what is the mechanism of this reaction? This mechanism is known as hydronium ion mechanism, because in the first step hydronium ion will form, and then it will act as an electrophile and will attack on the alkene. So the mechanism. Okay. Firstly, the H positive from the stronger acid we have H2SO4. It will dissociate as 2H positive plus SO4 2 negative. Okay. So now in the second step, this H positive will react with the water molecule, as we have lone pair over there, and the formation of hydronium ion will take place. Now this hydronium ion, okay, this hydronium ion, okay, this is the first step, step number 1. The second step is the attack of this hydronium ion. Okay, the attack of this hydronium ion. CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HO H and positive charge. Now this hydrogen will attach over there. Now there are two methods. This bond can break like this, and we will get positive charge over here, and the hydrogen will attach over here, and the carbocation will be generated over here. Now this is 1 degree carbocation, and we all know that 1 degree carbocations are less stable. Okay, so the step will be, if we take it as a route through, then 1 degree carbocation will be generated, and this step will not takes place. And if bond will shift over here, this is B route. Okay, then the CH3 CH positive charge and CH3. Okay, so the carbocation will be generated, and in the next step, the third step, again water will attack. In the third step, again the water will attack. Step number 3. CH3 CH3 positive charge plus H2O. Okay, so ये यहाँ पे जाएगा. Then CH3 CHO hydrogen CH3. Okay, positive charge on this oxygen. Again another water molecule will react, and it will abstract this hydrogen. Okay, it will abstract this hydrogen. Okay, this hydrogen will shift over here, and we will get the product CH3 CHOH CH3 and H3O positive. Okay, this proton will remove. This is the third step. Okay, so this is all about the preparation of alcohol from hydrocarbon, and the first method is hydration. Okay, so एक बार आप इसे note कर लें, then we will move on to the next method. So the next method of preparation of alcohols from alkene is hydroboration oxidation. So in the previous method, in which we do hydration of alkenes, we will get Markovnikov addition product. Okay, the hydrogen, the negative part OH group attach to that carbon which have lesser number of hydrogen atom. Okay, we will get 2-degree product as the most stable, as the major product. But in this method, anti-Markovnikov product we will get. Okay, so anti-Markovnikov addition, anti-Markovnikov addition will take place. Okay, so firstly hydroboration oxidation. So now it consists of two steps. First is hydroboration and the second is oxidation. So now in this method we all know that borates, the diborane, if we take BH3 is electron deficient because it have only 6 electrons, so it will act as a electrophile, okay, or a Lewis base, and will attack on the double bond, okay, and will attack on the double bond. This BH3 will dimerize and form B2S6, okay, so it will exist as a dimeric form in order to complete its octet. But if we take BH3, which is quite unstable, firstly it will react with the alkene, okay, so the general reaction is CH3, I am taking unsymmetrical one, plus BH3 in the presence of a solvent THF, tetrahydrofuran, okay, so THF and H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. This is the second step, the oxidation in the presence of hydrogen peroxide, and we will get CH3 CH2OH as the main product, plus H3BO3, hydroboric acid, okay, H3BO3, and we have to take 3 molecules of alkene over there and 3 molecules of H2O2, and we will get 3 molecules of it, okay. So this is the reaction, this is a general reaction. And now what is the mechanism of this particular reaction? So in the first step, transition, this reaction takes place through a transition state. A 4-member state will form, okay, so a 4-member ring will generate it. Now the mechanism is, okay, firstly this BH3 will attack over here, okay, to generate a 2-degree. We all know that 2-degree carbocations are more stable, okay, that is why it will attack, okay, so, or we can say that this double bond will attract this electrophile. And the next step is, okay, wait a minute, CH2 B H and H, okay, so positive charge over here and positive charge over here, okay, sorry, negative charge over here, okay, because after the bond cleavage we will get negative charge over here, okay, and that negative charge will be on boron, okay. So now this bond will start cleaving, and here this bond will start forming, okay. So formation and breakage of bond, the cleavage of bond will take place simultaneously, and this will form a 4-membered ring, okay. So this is a transition state. Actually this is a concerted mechanism, this is a single step, okay, but goes through a transition state like in case of SN2, and we will get this product CH3 CH2, this hydrogen will attach over here, this double bond converted into single bond, and we will get BH2, okay. So this is the product. Then again in the second step we have to add 2 more molecules of this, okay. So after the addition of 1 more molecule of alkene, we will get CH3 CH2, 1 more hydrogen of boron will goes to this carbon atom BH. Again we have to add another molecule CH3 CH double bond CH2, and we will get CH. Again the last molecule of hydrogen, the last hydrogen atom which is attached to boron is shifted towards this carbon atom, and again one more molecule, we will get this product. Okay, so this is the second step. Okay, I am writing it in a sequence. Okay, this is the second step, and the last step is this is hydroboration only. Okay, this is hydroboration. Now the second step is oxidation. Okay, the second step is oxidation. The second step is oxidation. Now we have this product. Okay, and we have to react it with H2O2, 3 molecules of H2O2, and we will get CH3, CH2, CH2, OH, 3 molecule plus H3BO3. This is hydroboric acid. Hydroboric acid. Okay, so again, the first step is the reaction of BH3, which is acting as an electron deficient species, as an electrophile. This double bond will attract this electrophile. Okay, and we will get negative charge on the boron, and the 2 degree carbocation is formed. Okay, so because 2 degrees are more stable, okay, this boron will not attach to the second carbon, then 1 degree carbocation will generate. Okay, so now this hydrogen will start making bond with this carbon atom. Okay, and this double bond will start cleaving, and this is the transition state of, and we will get a 4-membered ring. Okay, so again, and this will form CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2. Again we have to add another molecule of alkene, then 1 hydrogen from this boron will attach over here, and we will get the same group. So we will get twice. Again we have to add the third alkene, and one hydrogen which is left on boron will attach to this carbon, and we will get the third same group. And this is all about the hydroboration. Okay, the next is oxidation in the presence of hydrogen peroxide, and we will get this product. Now this is anti-Markovnikov product. Okay, we will not get secondary alcohol. Here we will get primary alcohol. Okay, so these are the two main methods, the two important methods for preparation of alcohols from hydrocarbon. The first one is the hydration. Hydration may be direct or indirect, and we have already discussed the mechanism, the hydronium ion mechanism, and then we have hydroboration oxidation, and we have already discussed the mechanism also. Okay, so the third method of preparation of alcohols is from carbonyl compounds. Okay, so the third method is from carbonyl compounds by reduction. Okay, so we have to use some reducing agent in order to reduce the carbonyl compounds, like we have aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid, esters. So we can prepare alcohol from these 4. Okay, so there are many reducing agents in which lithium aluminium hydride, LiAlH4, and NaBH4, sodium boron hydride, are the strongest one. So from the third method is from carbonyl compound. From carbonyl compounds. Okay, aldehyde will give us 1 degree alcohol, but ketone will give us 2 degree alcohol. Okay, or we can also get 3 degree alcohol from ketone. So let us take the smallest aldehyde, the formaldehyde first. Okay, or take ethanol first. Okay, acetaldehyde. So CH3C double bond OH. This is acetaldehyde, and we have to react it with any of the reducing agent. You can take any metal, nickel or platinum. Okay, you can also use nickel or platinum, or sodium plus ethanol is also a very good reducing agent, or you can take lithium aluminium hydride, or sodium boron hydride. Okay, these are the strongest reducing agent, and 1 hydrogen from this carbon, 1 hydrogen to this carbon and 1 hydrogen to this oxygen will get attached, and this double bond will cleave. Okay, so in reduction we all know that addition of hydrogen will take place. So 1 hydrogen is attached to this carbon, and one hydrogen to oxygen, and this double bond will change into a single bond. So we will get the product as CH3 CH2. Okay, so we have one hydrogen. Okay, so this is the main product, and this is ethanol. Okay, so we will get 1 degree alcohol. And in case of ketone, okay, so let us take the case of ketone. CH3 C double bond O react with sodium plus ethanol, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium boron hydride. Again, one hydrogen will attach to this carbon and one hydrogen to this oxygen, and this double bond will changes into a single bond, and we will get CH3 CHOH CH3. Okay, so now 2 degree alcohol will form. We will get a 2 degree alcohol, and in case of aldehyde, we will get a 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol. Okay. Similarly, we can easily prepare alcohols from carboxylic acid, like we have ethanoic acid. So we can also change. Okay, so in case of carboxylic acid, we have to use strong reducing agents. Okay, so carboxylic acid can be changed into alcohols. We can prepare by taking strong reducing agent only. Okay, so the product will be CH3CH2OH ethanol. Okay, we'll get ethanol as the product. Similarly, we can also prepare alcohol with the help of esters. We will get 2 different alcohols. Like if I take this is methyl ethanoate, and we have to take strong reducing agent. So we will get 2 alcohol. First one is this bond will cleave, one alcohol from this and the other from this. So CH3 CH2OH plus CH3OH. Okay, so we can easily prepare 1 degree or 2 degree alcohol by this particular method. Okay, and the next method is from Grignard reagent. There we will get a 3 degree alcohol. Okay, so in that case we will get a 3 degree alcohol. Okay, so next method is from Grignard reagent. The fourth method is from Grignard reagent. I have already told you that we can prepare any of the species with the help of Grignard reagent. We can prepare alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, esters with the help of Grignard reagent. Okay, so that is why it is a very useful reagent. And the general formula is RMGX. And it will act as a nucleophile also. Okay, it will give us a nucleophile because here we have partial positive and partial negative charge. So this R negative will act as a good nucleophile. Okay, so this will give us a chance to get nucleophilic substitution reaction, and in this case also nucleophilic attack will take place. Okay, so when this Grignard reagent react with any of the carbonyl compound, okay, any of the carbonyl compound. So I am taking aldehyde first. CH3 C double bond O H. Okay, I am taking this as the aldehyde. Now we all know that due to electronegativity difference, here we have partial positive, partial negative, and we are adding any of the Grignard reagent, like we have CH3 MgBr. Okay, so now partial positive charge, negative charge over here, partial positive charge on the metal. Now this CH3 will act as a nucleophile and attack over on the carbonyl group. Okay, on the carbonyl group. So now CH3 C and this double bond will shift over here, and this MgBr will attach to this oxygen atom. Okay, and we will get O MgBr, hydrogen over here, CH3. Okay, so the attack of nucleophile followed by hydrolysis will give us the alcohol. So again we have to do the hydrolysis. Okay, so in hydrolysis we have H positive and OH negative. So H positive will attach to this oxygen and OH will attach to this MgBr, and we will get CH3CHOH CH3 plus MgBrOH. Okay, so in this case also we will get a 2 degree alcohol. Okay, so in the next case, if we take a ketone, then we will get a 3 degree. Okay, so let us discuss that case also. In case of ketone, we will get a 3 degree. So if we have a ketone CH3 C double bond O CH3, again I am adding the Grignard reagent. So here we have partial negative, partial positive, partial positive, partial negative. Now this will attack over here, this bond will shift over here, and we will get CH3 CO, MgBr will attach to this oxygen, and CH3 over here, CH3. Again we have to do the hydrolysis. Okay, so CH3 COH CH3 CH3. Now we will get a tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, so let us move on to the reaction of Grignard reagent with esters. Okay, so next we have the reaction of Grignard reagent with esters. So I am taking a simple ester like CH3 C double bond O C2H5 plus any Grignard reagent like CH3 MgBr. So here we have partial positive, partial negative. This partial negative will attack over here, and this bond will migrate, and this MgBr will attach to oxygen, and we will get CH3 CH3 and O C2H5 and O MgBr over here. So now in the next step, in the hydrolysis step, this O C2H5 will leave and this MgBr will leave, and here we will get a double bond. Okay, so CH3 plus MgBr O C2H5 will leave. Okay, as a negative. O C2H5 will leave as a negative, and now we will get a ketone. So firstly an ester will convert it into ketone or aldehyde. Okay, we will convert ester into ketone or aldehyde, and then we all know that how to convert ketone into alcohol. So from this step we can also add another molecule of Grignard reagent. Now again this CH3 will attack over here, this OH this MgBr will attach over here, and we will get CH3 CH3 O MgBr. Again we have to do the hydrolysis. Okay, so so simple as that. Firstly we have to add a molecule of Grignard reagent, and then this OC2H5 will leave. Again we have to add the another molecule of Grignard reagent, and we will get a 3 degree alcohol. Okay, and MgBr और OH, ठीक है, OH साथ में लीव कर जाएगा. Okay, so this is the fourth method of preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagent. Okay, so the last method is from aliphatic primary amines. Okay, by the reaction of nitrous acid. This is the last method. This is the fifth method from aliphatic primary amines. Okay, so I am taking a aliphatic primary amine. The general reaction is RNH2, and we all know that formula for nitrous acid is HNO2, and we will get ROH plus N2 plus water. Okay, so we can write nitrous acid in this form, OH and O. Okay, so from here we will get alcohol, from here we will get N2, and we are left with H2O. Okay, so this is the last method for the preparation of alcohol. Okay, so we have discussed 5 methods of preparation of alcohol. The first method is from by nucleophilic substitution reaction from haloalkanes. Okay, so we can prepare alcohol from haloalkanes by SN1 and SN2 both mechanism. In case of primary, we have to use SN2 mechanism, and in case of secondary and tertiary, with the help of a weak nucleophile, we can undergo SN1 reaction with any of the nucleophile, like we have water in case of SN1 and KOH in case of SN2. The second method is from hydrocarbon, from unsaturated hydrocarbon, like we have alkene. Okay, in which the first method is from hydration. Okay, hydration can be takes place directly or indirectly, and in this case we will discuss. We have already discussed the mechanism, which is known as hydronium ion mechanism. Okay, and the third, and in this case the second method is by hydroboration oxidation. Okay, and this method gives us anti-Markovnic product. Okay, and next method is by the reduction of carbonyl compounds with the help of reducing agent, like we have lithium aluminum hydride, sodium boron hydride. Okay, sodium plus ethanol, any metal, platinum, nickel. Okay, so we can use these reducing agents. And the fourth method is by the reaction of Grignard reagent with carbonyl compounds. Okay, in case of ester we have to use 2 molecules of Grignard reagent. Okay, and the last method is this one, from aliphatic primary amines by the reaction of nitrous acid. Okay, so I think this much is quite enough for this particular lecture, and in the next lecture we will discuss the preparation of phenols. Okay, this lecture is enough for the preparation of alcohols. Okay, so I hope you found this lecture helpful, and thank you so much for watching.